Hi, food lovers. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Ollie. Happy Sunday. I hope you're watching this on a Sunday. So, I want to take you guys through the process of my Sunday breakfast. I've just got back from church. It's currently 10 minutes past 8, and I want to make Akara. That's what we're going to have, probably with tea or Quaker oats. I'm not sure. Most likely tea. I personally don't take Quaker oats, so I know I'm going to have mine with tea, and then we're going to do a little bit of cleaning and just talking to you guys. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video because it's gonna be an interesting one. Let's go. This is the beans I'm going to use. This honey beans, and of course you can always use any beans you have at your disposal. This is what I have, honey beans. I really don't like it for jollof beans, so that's why I'm using it. Just so we're just going to soak this in water. Soaking it for 5 minutes is enough, but because I have plates to wash, we're going to leave it in water until I'm done with that. So we're soaking it in water just so that we can easily get off the husk and it can blend easily. So whenever I tell people that I don't mind washing plates and that I actually enjoy doing it, people are like, "What?" Because I mean, who enjoys washing plates? But I genuinely do, and for the most part, I think that's because I would usually not have a lot to wash, right? So in as much as I also like washing plates, um, I would never wash an Indomie pot. And that's because I don't eat Indomie noodles. I don't eat noodles before people come for me. I don't eat noodles, and I would never wash a noodles plate or pot. No matter what, though, I would never. Whoever cooks it has to wash it off, please. And I also really don't like to wash like pots for semo, oatmeal, whatever it is. Also because I don't like it. So it's just I always get that semo smell when I'm washing it. So I'd rather not, please. This is I use this for semo, and washing it is just annoying. But funny enough, I don't like semo, but I enjoy making it. I mean, like if if I had to make swallow for someone and they like semo, I would gladly make semo for them. Oh. But I don't eat it. I can't even stand it. It makes me queasy. When you want to take off the skin of the beans, you need a lot of water. This is not hot water. Oh. The kettle is not hot, or the water was not boiled. Because this is a lot of water, it helps the blender to just um, pulse the skin and not actually break the beans. Because if the water is small, then it may actually start grinding the beans instead of taking off the husk. Yeah, so we're going to put this on and we're going to pulse over and over again. This blender is very loud. Close your ears for this part. I'm certain we've gotten most of them out. That's part of why you need to soak it for a bit. Let's take that out and wash it off. Washing this off, I figured something really interesting yesterday. And I know most people would make akara on Saturdays, but we come back pretty early from church on Sundays, so I just do that as well on Sundays. So I'm just going to pour out the water. And then, of course, the chaff floats on top. So I put in more water. Basically, I'm going to try to reduce as much chaff as I can from this directly from the blender. So more water. This is waste of water anyway. You can always put this on top of a bowl and reuse the water. Don't be like me. Oh. Okay, careful. So we're just going to put in another water and remove as much as we can because, like I said, skin floats and the beans itself will just be down there chilling with the big boys. Yeah, and I've gotten as much as I can. This is all chaff. So we're going to put this in a plate and make sure there's no more chaff. And we can blend. So we need just a little bit of water. Yeah, just same level as the beans actually. So now we are going to put in the onion and peppers. Where is that one running to? We'll blend. While this is happening, I'm going to just put the oil on fire because I'm running out of time, so I need to do that. But we're going to pulse this, blend it properly, pour it here, whisk it with the batter to incorporate air into it, and we can start frying. See how thick that thing is. Just trust your blender. The blender is actually meant for hard work, so trust it to do the job. Because I said your blender can do the work does not mean you should spoil your blender and call my name. Oh. Just going to rinse that off. Every single time I make akara, it reminds me of how little I make moi moi. I never really make moi moi, and I always say, "Oh, I'm going to make moi moi," but I never get around to doing it. So salt. I hope there's not a lot. It's so thick, and it looks so beautiful. I mean, it's probably not showing very well how pretty it is. Let me give you guys a closer look. This is so pretty. You just want to incorporate air into it so that it can be fluffy and light. Imagine you're hungry and you have to do this. Just do it for a little and fry your akara, my dear. You will not kill yourself, Abby. Don't waste, I can't do more than that at the moment. To pop that into the oil. The oil is not hot enough. Really not hot enough. I thought it was. There's actually enough space for me to have fried this once. So I flip that and it's actually frying on low heat. I like to fry this until it's like very brown. To break the eggs into this cup and transfer the pan, the eggs, and this coconut oil is from Dudu Shewa, and this smells so fragrant. So if you're an avid food video watcher, you probably know Omoye Cooks on Instagram. So she's currently doing a series of From Her Kitchen to Yours. So it's titled From My Kitchen to Yours. Basically, if you apply, she comes to your kitchen and she would cook. So when she came, this was one of the ingredients we used, and she left the remaining one for me. It was here, but in the space of 1 week, this is what I've done with it. I've used this in every single thing I'm cooking except soups, of course, and it is so good. Like it's so fragrant. You can tell that this is actually original coconut oil. So I'm just going to pour this in akara, the eggs, and our cup of tea. So this is breakfast for Sunday, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed filming it. I don't feel so strong, but I'm happy that I was able to film this for you people because I actually enjoyed filming it. And yeah, so to wrap up this video, I'm just going to take one, and thank you for watching. Bye.